Hey, glad you decided to go for a hike on some of our trails at Royal Botanical Gardens. It's such an amazing time of year to go out and explore some of our nature sanctuaries. So my name is Danielle. I am an interpreter with Royal Botanical Gardens, and I'm here today to give you a few tips and tricks on where should you walk. While walking on our trails, it's important to stay on designated paths and also to stay in the center as much as possible. And well, here's my number one reason why I never walk off trail. Encountering poison ivy. That's never fun for anyone. And staying on the trails will also ensure that you're not accidentally stepping on sensitive habitat and destroying homes for some of our species at risk. Many species of animals shelter under leaf litter, such as salamanders, toads, and caterpillars. You may notice invasive species. Invasives are destructive to our natural areas, and they can spread easily when you walk off trail. You might have them stuck on the bottom of your boots. So staying on the path is the best way to avoid spreading these unwanted guests. And take a look at some of our signs while you're walking. And if you ever get lost, look on the back. You'll find some waypoints. They will help guide and direct you back. And our trails can get pretty busy. You might want to choose a path that's less traveled. Here are some of my favorites: Rock Chapel, Berry Track, Marsh Walk, and my favorite, Grey Doe. Glad you could join me on this walk. Happy hiking, happy exploring.